Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you are unable to install any game on Xbox app and if you are receiving this error code that is 0x89235172. So if you are receiving this error code when you try to install any games on Xbox app on Windows 10 or 11, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to make sure date and time is correct on your computer. So on the bottom right here you can see the date and time. So make sure date and time is correct. If not, make a right click on date and time, then click on adjust date and time, and make sure set time automatically is on over here. And in Windows 10 you will find set time zone automatically, so make sure that is also on. In Windows 11 you can go ahead and select the time zone from here, so go ahead and select the right time zone and then go to time and language, click on it, and then go to language and region and make sure the right country is selected over here, and again click on date and time. Now if you want to make any changes in clocks, you can go ahead and click on additional clocks and then go to date and time and then click on change date and time. You can go ahead and change the month and year from here, and you can select the right date from here, and you can go ahead and change the time from here. So if the date and time is not correct, only then you can go ahead and make changes. In Windows 10 you will find this option on the right hand side. So once you select set time automatically is on, set time zone is on in Windows 10, and once you select the right time zone over here, click on sync now, and after the sync you can go ahead and try to install the game from Xbox app. Now the next step is to make sure that you're logged in with same account on Microsoft Store and on Xbox app as well. So you can go ahead and open Xbox app, and then on the top right here you can see a profile icon. Click on it and make sure you have the same account over here and the same account on Microsoft Store. So once you're sure that you have the right account, you can go ahead and click on install. Now if there is difference, you can go ahead and just make sure that you're logged in with the same account. The next step is to log out from Xbox app and Microsoft Store and then log in again. So on Xbox app, just click on your profile icon, then click on sign out, and then again click on your profile icon, then click on sign in, and then you have to go ahead and select your account. If it is asking for email and password, enter your email and password, select your account, then click on let's play. Do the same thing in Microsoft Store. So on the top right here you can see a profile icon. Click on it, then click on sign out, again click on sign in, and then select your account, click on continue. Now enter your PIN or password over here. So it will be asking for your PIN or password, so enter it, and once you're logged in you can go ahead and try to install the game. Now the next step is to run wsreset command. So go ahead and type in wsreset in Windows search box and then click on wsreset, and this will go ahead and open a black screen. So do not close this black screen. This black screen will go away and it will open Microsoft Store. Now over here you can see the black screen is gone and it's opening Microsoft Store. Now you can go ahead and launch Xbox app and then try to install the game. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case you can go ahead and reset Xbox app and Microsoft Store. For this, go to the start menu and then click on settings, click on apps, go to apps and features. Now over here you can go ahead and search Xbox app. So you can go ahead and type in Xbox in search box, and then in Windows 10 simply click on Xbox app and then you will see the advanced option. In Windows 11 click on this three dot, then click on advanced options. Now scroll down. Now over here you can see the reset option, so click on reset, and once the reset is complete you can go back to apps and features once again. So once this is done, click on click on apps and features once again, and then over here in the search box this time go ahead and type in store, and then click on this three dot and then click on advanced options. Again scroll down and then click on reset, and once the reset is done, now you can go ahead and launch Xbox app and then try to install the game. Now still you are receiving the error message. In that case you can go ahead and restart Windows Update Components. So for this, go ahead and copy this link. This link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now scroll down. Over here you can see download Windows Update Reset script for computers running Windows 10. Now it also runs on Windows 11, so I have I ran it and it's working fine. So click on it, and then it will go ahead and download the zip file. So go to the download location and then make a right click on the zip file, and then click on extract all, extract. And once the extract is done, open this folder and then make a right click on wsreset bat file, then click on run as administrator. Click on click on yes to allow, and here you can see it's telling you to press any key on the keyboard. So press any key on the keyboard, and it will, first of all, it will go ahead and stop all the Windows update services, and then it will go ahead and restart all the Windows services. So this process may take few seconds or maybe a minute. So let the process complete. Now over here you can see it's restarting all the services now, and at the end it says press any key on the keyboard to continue. So press any key on the keyboard. This will go ahead and close the command prompt app. Now you can go ahead and launch Xbox app and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to update Windows 11. Make sure that your Windows is up to date. For this, go to the start menu, click on settings, click on update and security in Windows 10, and in Windows 11 click on Windows Update, then click on check for update, and once the update is installed, restart your computer and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to go ahead and run these commands. So if you're facing any kind of network issue, you can go ahead and fix it by running these commands. So type in cmd in Windows search box and then make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow and then paste the command one by one over here. So it's ipconfig space / flushdns. Run all the command one by one. Paste and hit the enter key. All the commands are provided in the video description. And once done, you can go ahead and restart your computer. So make sure that you go ahead and restart your computer after this. And after the system restart, you can go ahead and launch Xbox app and then try to install the game. The next step is to update Xbox app from Microsoft Store. So if there is any pending update for Xbox app, go to Store. So just type in Store and open Microsoft Store. Now in the search box, you can go ahead and type in Xbox and then click on Xbox app. And if there is any update, you will see the update option over here, or you will see the install option. So if you see install, click on install. If you see the update option, click on update. Now in Windows 10, when you open Microsoft Store, on the top right here, you will see three dots. Click on the three dots and then click on download and updates, and then click on get updates. In Windows 11, go to library, and then over here you will see the get updates option. In Windows 10, you have to click on three dots and then click on download and update, then click on get update. And once the updates are installed, then try to launch Xbox app, and then that should go ahead and fix the error message. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and make sure that Xbox identity provider and gaming services is installed. So for this, for Xbox identity provider, copy this link, open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website, and then here you can see Xbox identity provider. Click on get. It will prompt you to open Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store, and then over here, if you see the update option, click on update. If you see the install option, click on install. And once the update or installation is complete, you can go ahead and launch Xbox app and then try to install the game. Also make sure that gaming services is installed. Now first of all, we will go ahead and uninstall any remains of gaming services. For this, go ahead and copy this command and type in PowerShell in Windows search box, and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and make sure that you're opening PowerShell as an administrator. So click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow and then paste the command over here. It will go ahead and uninstall any remains of gaming services. And once this is done, you can go ahead and run this command and then paste it over here and then hit the enter key. It will open Microsoft Store, and then you will see the install option. Click on install. Click on yes to allow, and then it will go ahead and start installing gaming services. And once the download is complete, once it is installed, you can go ahead and launch Xbox app and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to start all these services. So go ahead and type in services in Windows search box and then click on services app. Now over here you go ahead and find all these services one by one and start all the services. So find IP helper, just make a double click on IP helper, make sure it is set to automatic over here, then click on apply. If start is highlighted, click on start and then click on OK. Now scroll down. At the end you will find all the Xbox services, so go ahead and run all the Xbox services. So make a double click and select automatic, then click on apply. If start is highlighted, click on start, then click on OK. Do the same thing with all the Xbox services, automatic, apply. If start is highlighted, click on start, then click on OK. So select automatic, apply. If start is highlighted, click on start, and once this is done, click on OK. So do the same thing with all the Xbox services and click on OK. Now find Windows Update. Here you can see Windows Update, make a double click, make sure it is set to automatic and click on apply. If start is highlighted, click on start, then click on OK. Now find Microsoft Store install service. So here you can see Microsoft Store install service, make a double click and then select automatic and then click on apply. And if start is highlighted, click on start, then click on OK. Now find gaming services over here. So here you can see I have two gaming services running. Make sure this is running, make a double click and then over here if start is highlighted, click on start, then click on apply. OK. Now do the same thing with the second gaming services, make a double click. If start is highlighted, click on start and then click on OK. Make sure this is running. Now okay, it's done. Now you can go ahead and launch Xbox app and then try to install the game. The next step is to run Windows Store Troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now go to, in Windows 10, you have to click on update and security. You will find the troubleshoot option under update and security. In Windows 11, when you click on system, you will find the troubleshoot option. In Windows 10, it's under update and security. So click on troubleshoot, then click on other troubleshooter. Now scroll down. Here you can see Windows Store apps. In Windows 10, simply click on it, then click on run the troubleshooter. In Windows 11, click on this run, and once the troubleshoot is complete, try to install the game from Xbox app. Now the next step is to go ahead and run this PowerShell command. So go ahead and type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then click on, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow and then paste the command over here and then hit the enter key. And once this is done, you can go ahead and launch the Xbox app. Now this process will take some time, so do not close this window. Just wait for this process to complete. Now when this is running, you will receive some error message in red color. Just ignore it and let the process complete. Now once this is done, you can go ahead and close this window, launch Xbox app and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to uninstall and reinstall Xbox app. For this, go to the start menu, open settings, and then go to apps and features. In the search box, you can go ahead and type in Xbox and then click on. Now over here in Windows 10, click on it, then click on uninstall. In Windows 11, click on this three dot, then click on uninstall. And once the uninstall is done, you can go ahead and open Microsoft Store and then type in Xbox and then click on Xbox app and then click on get or install, whatever you see. And once the Xbox app is downloaded, you can go ahead and launch the Xbox app and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to run inetcpl.cpl command. So go ahead and type in inetcpl.cpl in Windows search box. Click on inetcpl.cpl and then go to the advanced tab. Scroll down. Here you can see use TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, all are checked over here. Then click on apply, OK, and then launch Xbox app. The next step is to run DISM and SFC command. For this, go ahead and type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command over here, paste it over here, hit the enter key, and let the scan complete. Now once the scan is 100% complete, you go ahead and run the second scan. Now once the second scan is 100% complete, restart your computer and then try to launch Xbox app and then install the game. Now in case if nothing is working, you can go ahead and update your Windows 10 or 11 using media creation tool. So if you have Windows 10, copy this link and then go to this website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now, and once the download is complete, run this exe file. Then you will see this screen. Click on accept. By default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next, and then it will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time, so let the process complete. Now once the download is complete, before the installation you will see this screen which says ready to install. Now when you see this screen ready to install, and then when this is checked which says keep personal files and app, now when this option is checked you will not lose any data on the computer. By default this is checked, so click on install, and once the installation is complete, log into your computer and then launch Xbox app, and that should go ahead and fix the problem. Now in case if you have Windows 11, then go to this website, and here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you go ahead and run this exe file. Now click on accept, and then by default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Now over here you don't see the upgrade option. In Windows 11 media creation tool you will find ISO file. Click on ISO file, select ISO file, then click on next, and then select the download location. So you can go ahead and select desktop, and then click on save. Now once the download is complete, you can go ahead and click on finish, and then go to the desktop, and here you can see Windows ISO file. Make a double click on Windows ISO file. Now here you will see setup file. Go ahead and make a double click on setup. Click on yes to allow, and then it will go ahead and load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11. Click on next. Now it will go ahead and check for update. Let the update complete. This process may take some time. And now again, before the installation, you will see this screen which says keep personal files and app. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install. After the installation, you simply have to log in to your computer and then launch Xbox app, and then you can go ahead and start installing the game. So one of the steps should definitely help you to install the game successfully on Xbox app without any error message. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.